Be who you are and speak what you feel. Express yourself. Those who matter don't mind, and those who mind don't matter. So express yourself, speak it out. So long as you have God on your side, don't care anything. Speak out, express yourself. Do not fear. Have confidence by yourself, who you are. That's how God created you. You are beautiful. You are wonderfully made by God, beautifully and wonderfully made as the image of God. So express yourself. Don't mind what about other people, what they mind about you, what matters most. You have expressed yourself. You have confidence over yourself. That's the most important thing that we need to put ahead of our life. Speak up, express. Do not die in silence when you feel something is not right or this is what you want to say.